Hey everyone, Megamancer here. Welcome back to my channel. We're here with Vern, Scott, Alicia, and Camera Lady. So, I'm going to show you guys something that I got recently. New magic trick. It kind of old because you've seen me do Rubik's Cubes before.
Yes.
Do me a favor, mix up the cube on top of the table.
Oh, on top.
Okay?
Okay.
And remember, focus on him.
What's that?
No.
Okay.
Good enough.
Okay.
Good enough?
Yeah.
Okay, so I don't know if you noticed this, but while you were mixing your cube, I was actually mixing my cube underneath the table.
Right.
I was actually following along with what you were doing.
Okay.
So, thank you. So, what I'm going to have you do now is I'm going to have you mix your cube up underneath the table. Okay?
Okay.
Go ahead and do that underneath the table. Don't look at him. Look at me. Hi. How's it going?
So you said 15 seconds or so?
Yeah, about 15 seconds, I think.
Enough.
Yeah, that's enough.
That's enough?
That's enough for now.
Enough.
Okay?
Let's go ahead.
So, Vern, let's recap here. You mixed your cube up. I mixed my cube up behind my back, underneath the table. You mixed your cube up underneath the table. Would you be willing to bet about, say, $20 that none of the sides on these cubes match?
Still going with 5.
$5? Okay, let me just see here. Oh, there!
There
Easiest
you go.
$5 I've ever made.
Ah.
Yeah.
But you want to see the second side, don't you, Alicia?
Yes, I do.
Second side?
Okay.
You want to see the third side, don't you? You can see he's very enthusiastic. Third side?
Right. Wow.
Fourth side?
Mm-hmm. Perfect.
Yeah.
Fifth side?
Great.
Sixth side.
Excellent. There you go.
Yeah,
Normally this is where people applaud.
I was going to. I wasn't sure if it was.
Okay. Tell you what. I am going to take the cube that you mixed up, and I'm going to solve this. Keep an eye on the cube. I'm actually going to do it behind my back.
Okay.
I hope this is going to work. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Tell me when.
When?
I can't tell if I'm doing good unless you
You're getting there.
applaud.
I can't see. Looks good.
done.
Looks good.
Amazing.
Oh, there
There
you
you
go.
go.
It worked!
Wow.
Good
So,
job. Good job. Yeah.
I
Wow.
hope you guys enjoyed this little demonstration, and thank you. So, hope you guys liked it too, and don't forget to subscribe and to go on to my Twitch account. Links will be in the description. My name on there is the same on here, Magomancer, and I will see you guys in the future.